Julie de Rapui Canano video man Merwangi da Kuponi Mapo Chwalo Chabit Mbo to Twal did boss make a team or blowing whistle come RDC attack Niti Kabalo Mega FM don't get material kati en carpetia temo en kana la meg mo makaluni ni attack iron jovia mala wo be na kwano nye ikin joma police summoning ni mergo cheto gam lock ma doricum lock ma tikati me corruption ma ti Mega FM en benetie ikin joma allegations te do ni ti ken joma te ro ko chingi ko Mega FM total now la wo ma wakar loki tie jo ma wakwana nyingini pole jo ma is not yet proven guilty. You don't majority of them attack Irene Jovia is alleged not yet proven guilty, but the rest allegations pay kumki kita la wo be na waje keni jo mo kene go mistaking certain things, but I read specifically Kidma police choy kere they have been summoned for questioning gin matie eno ikin jo eno ni ober jo mati Mega yang chon ki jo ma tikati furi chane ki jo mo kene mo chawti chon dok be futi ga mede ki tiji chawale ni unu ngeo ki kine tie jo mo ma do now report tie ka do ni mego ni maklu nyene attack Iron Joviani o la o Mega do gin ma kle mon gloni community based organization yoni CBO ma ene oni ikin gin mo kana matie kono matika do ni e corruption matiki Mega nyurati kamaleng ni SACCO mi Mega FM staffs ma total chilling maga wayani no do ci rawa yi million mi areo million kono pere lewa chuli munjo ma ungeo lewa chuli ma tek kono bicha ko nying million inu ni chilling enini kingolo kiwi muchara onyoni salary palati pa Mega chiel ma kra ngolo like alimia chiel do ngolo bedu pi mwakario maugi indue me chiel 2024 tayane mwane fu ngolo gire I know ni ko tieni chilling enini pe benefit ken mano ke waje ke ni petit pinu mano en SACCO mira dong interest ke chul bot la tit pa Mega piano down bir ka denu chene so chene bir ka tino chene dong mira ko nyote bot lo wore ki magoba magluni interest mi den ento chene ni come pere lo tit pa Mega ke tika nyaro gio pe ki chulo gine eneni gin matia kate kono inoni la Mega ni bena dare ularo gin makluni choron pa Mega FM ularo daro kagwa ko gwano history ticket enoni no laro daro kagwa ko gwano uber kagwa ko gwano ye then it's like ticket Mega FM like a private business. And ni for example doramo ti gloni Mega shoppers madwong padana Gulu City ki actually sub-region ginano Mega shoppers machalo dukan official dukan pa Mega FM entokara pe official dukan pa Mega FM beru pa en Mega enini konino da bena lok matika kati ye tieni com pa Mega FM mano no tie official compa Mega FM endo la odo meeting events ma Mega tika tikere mi events ma Mega ma chelgi nano tika nyutani la diet mo magloni okano hema o beru former la teach ma Mega FM u chwalo lok ma Mega Facebook ma screenshot inana one screen kanyo chwalo kun en kati ki kidma en ngeo kere lokom ko le mo duk matika time Mega FM okano Emmanuel in the period we are of March okati chochoeni yen na Mega FM abikwan ni gin ena choyo mabena ti wa kanini ojoni over 200 million shillings of money belonging to the staff of Mega FM held under their SACCO as apparently being borrowed by external borrowers stroke entities, making it possible for the real owners to access it. One staff member alleges that they have been denied the opportunity to even know who the so-called external borrowers are. Some of the staff members say they urgently need their money as they fear losing it, especially given the uncertainty over ownership of the radio station, which is or was owned by the government of Uganda but is now alleged to be under private ownership. As a matter of reminder, logmak te wachini te confirm jema birka wachini la diti ukaroki side mamege kun still confirms, and I know local ownership of Mega FM one wing mangionu ni Mega T and the UBC kara jomon en chalo wera kwalo allegations chika doni around RDC la tek mabena ki ko ko toile a chulu ko ka wen ko me maluki ki top la dirachel ma beru veterinary officer mi more district e karma lokum nywana kena chuli ki balalo tie kati mekunu eni ne pieri wo bi yarachel kono eno kanu ma choino kanu la gulu ukarbe da ki dwane kun choini gina i Mega FM choini action point yanu karni. Meanwhile, I advise my dear friends at Mega FM to consider legal action if they are unable to access their money. As per the ownership, I will personally write to the Inspector General of Government, that's IGG, to initiate an investigation into the issue of ownership as soon as I arrive in Kampala tomorrow. That would be the next day, the 28th of March. Jami Pagamente Pelmiero Gitu Kwede Lok Weng Enu. That is how he concluded. Okano Emakono, Laditu Bedu, former Latit Pamega FM. Now investigation don't my name someone lawu anawaju I video my round no link description you know ni pe wangeyo ka ene choyo inquiry ni nyo pe ene choyo, but I think actually when you give berium ni gini dong tie kakati pian Mega FM actually when nanum machala guri Mega FM ini de piari we boro ukano ema ushirchi waini ngo oneno kong kano ema choini gina kumaro to choini. Seems like Mega FM isn't the only place where employees wallets are taking an unexpected vacation. Word on the street is that a director at a certain motherly school has also borrowed of staff's NSSF dues in the millions. I guess this whole external borrowing of employees' money trend is catching on like wildfire up north. Makes you wonder if there is some kind of managerial handbook out there with a chapter title how to mismanage staff's funds. Honestly, with all these financial shenanigans going on, being a director suddenly sounds like a pretty tempting gig. I mean, who wouldn't want to play fast and lose with other people's money and call it business strategy? So these are the things, guys. Ma abirka wajuni loke petit yacht teki lok mo bikati dari wan wo bineno ni in ngeo kamaleng foi matek in matika neno actually pro Evo TV dok kachi in timu gin ma klungo kele mon subscribing chi in beri kin jo me chiel mineno videos manyen poyo bye bye.